Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, the Wizard Guy, and in this today's video we are going to look at how to copy, move files from one location to another. So here I have some files here. I have some files. We have audio files, we have picture files, then you have document files, then you have a folder here. So I'm going to have this copied into a folder, here. Okay, so I don't have my main folder here, but I'm going to create one. I feel these folders and files should be in one location other than scattering on the desktop. So I'm going to first create a folder here. How do I create a folder? You come in any empty space on your desktop, then you right click, then you choose what? New, then you click on folder, then you type the folder name. So my folder name is my files. So after typing the folder name, you press your enter key to activate the folder name. Okay, that's my folder. So let me open it and see whether it has some work. So when I open my folder, you can see it is empty. It's saying this folder is empty. So that means my folder is safe. I can now have these files being copied in this position. Okay. So first of all, when you're copying, you have to select what you want to copy. Then after you choose an option for paste. Okay. So you first select. I'm selecting now. I'm selecting. So you select like that. Then you click in any selected file here or folder. So I'm going to click in this file. I right click and I choose what? Copy. So I click copy. Then I come to my new location, which is this one. I right click and I separate paste. And I choose paste. Okay. So you can say I have a copy here and I have a copy here. So what's copying? With our illustration, so we have seen that copying is the duplication of work to another location, leaving a copy behind. So I have a copy here and I have the same copy where? In this folder. Okay, so that is copying. Let's look at moving or cutting files. I'm going to first have where I'm going to put these files here. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder within this folder, of which a folder within a folder is called the subfolder. Okay, so I'm going to right click within this folder. I say new, I click to folder, and then I type moved, capital letters. I type moved or cut files, and I press the enter key. So let me open my folder. You can see the folder is open. So what I'm going to do is select these files and then I choose an option for cut. So I'll select the files, then I right click on any selected file, then I choose what? Cut. Then I come to this new location, I right click, I say paste. Okay, so you can see with the cutting, it takes all the work. You can see I don't have any copy here. So cutting completely transfers files from one location to another without leaving a copy behind. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the diamond.